Hi friends, welcome to Experiment Surya YouTube channel. Friends, you are watching first time my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting more interesting videos and job related videos. Friends, let's go to the topic. Today's topic is how to download a textbook for free at 100%. I'm talking about today's topic Python with machine learning and second edition. Textbook will be textbook download for free. Let's go. Friends, let's go to the Google and here will be search Python with machine learning textbook second edition. I want to enter. After entering, each book price will be shown here 1900 in Amazon and first edition is 480 and 6022 price also there. I want to free to download in this textbook for without any cost. I want to choose a second link of the Google. I'm already downloaded in this textbook. That's why I'm shown fast. Previously, first time you download some take a time. In this others, here will be shown in Python machine learning second edition. Just scroll them. Here will be content Python machine learning second edition credits, authors or feedbacks, all those things are there. Must be scroll down. Concepts to go to in the whole textbook. Here will be started in the machine learning course. Choose this. A lot of things are second edition for free to download in this providing link will be in the description. Please to download in this textbook for free without any cost. In this video you want to like and share your friends and also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind. Okay, bye bye. See you next video. Bye friends.